My name's Andy Brock, Project Manager for the Calhoun office for America's Homeplace. We're here today in the American B floor plan, 1,500 square feet, open floor plan in the kitchen and the dining room with the living room right here all together. We're here today to talk about this corner cabinet specifically in this kitchen. Fully customizable on the hardware, on the color of the cabinets. They went with a darker walnut color here with some rustic door handles on it. It's got storage on the top, storage on the bottom, pull-out drawer, soft close, hinges on that. It's actually all one piece, solid hardwood. This is a great option for bakers that love to stay in the kitchen. Features a big double oven. It's an upgrade option for us. So you can have two different settings, different cook temperatures on each, double racks in both of them. These doors fold down, they're nice and high up, so you don't have to bend over really to pull anything out. This is actually not a standard feature you'd find for floor plans, but it is a great upgrade option for anybody that loves to bake and give you that extra space in that so you can use the rest of your wall space for other cabinetry. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at americashomeplace.com and please like and subscribe.